Hey, this is David Miller with the Miller Group of Keller Williams Realty, and I'm here to help you get real estate smart. All right, I got another easel today. Must be very important. It is. We are talking about home insurance again and the things that are changing. Remember, at the beginning of the year, I talked about that everybody is to expect about a 30 to 40% increase, so you probably have already seen that. The middle of the year, I talked about how the legislation in Florida passed some laws to try to help that out. So now what I'm going to share with you are the changes that the insurance companies are making to houses and parts of the houses that can affect you now or in the future when you do sell your house. So let me go through these with you. I have them on my easel here already written out. Hope you can read my chicken scratch here. The first one is roofs. So here's the thing, is if your roof is a shingle roof and it's over 12 years old, or if you have a tile roof over 25 years old, it's probably going to be really difficult to get insurance. And if you do get insurance, I got to put my glasses on here because I can't read this. And by the way, this information was from Sile Insurance Company here. They will only provide, some carriers will only be based on the actual cash value. And that type of insurance, a lot of lenders won't take, okay? So if you're at around 10 years, you're planning on selling your house in 13 years, you might want to move that up because that might affect you. The other thing is plumbing. Polybutylene plumbing is a no-no. It's always been a no-no. So the way to know if you have polybutylene plumbing is if you look underneath your sink and if you have gray pipes. Usually that's a good indicator that you have polybutylene piping. The other thing is AC. AC, if your AC is more than 20 years old, it's probably not going to be covered. And you're probably not going to be able to get insurance for the house. Electrical panel boxes. This is nothing new here. If you have a Federal Pacific box, you will definitely have to have that changed. They do not like those boxes. They had problems in the past. Sylvania and then Zincs. Never heard of that one before, but these are other boxes they don't like. And your water heater has to be at least 14 years new. So typically, when you had these issues, they would give you, as the new buyer, about 30 days to rectify them so you can get insurance. Well, they're even changing that. Some of them are saying, you got to have this fixed prior to you purchasing the house before we provide you that binder. So that can cause some conflict. So what does this mean to you? As I mentioned before, if you're a seller and you're thinking about selling in the next couple of years and your AC is 19 years old and your roof is about 11 years old, you might want to move up that time frame. If not, it's probably going to cost a lot of money. Now keep in mind, it is a very strong seller's market. All these things are negotiable. So the market's hot right now. You have that on your side. But if the market decides to change to a more normal market or even a buyer's market, those things will have to be changed prior to putting your house on the market and getting it sold. Because if your buyer can't get home insurance and they're going with a lender, they cannot buy your house. All right? So I hope that you guys are now real estate smart. Have a great day.